Hello there, PFAA Middle School. Quick review of small fall semester final. We'll do a couple problems here and then we'll take a commercial break. So don't mind him, he's just stepping aside now. Question 1. Round each to the place indicated. So we have 9 and 98,649 hundred thousandths. That's a mouthful. And we're supposed to round it to the thousandths place. Well, which digit is in the thousandths place? There's the tenths, the hundredths, the thousandths. So that is where my rounded value will end, is in the thousandths place. Well, right away, A can't be because it goes to the 10,000ths place, as does B. That leaves us with C and D. Well, we have a pen that doesn't want to work. 9, and then we have this here. The thousandths place value is tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So when we round, we look to the value next door to the right. Remember, if it's from 0 to 4, we round down. If it's 5 to 9, we round up. Since it's 0 to 4, we round down, and this is going to be 9 and 986 thousandths. The correct answer was D. Next question. Which is the correct solution to the equation 27 equals 34 minus x? Now in this kind of setting, what's nice is we have answers here that we can literally plug into the question. And when we plug in x equals 5, 34 minus 5 is 29. That doesn't work. And 3 won't work. 34 minus 3 is 31. 7's not right because it's a solution, and solutions are always a value equals a variable. So if we plug in x equals 7, we'd have 27 equals 34 minus 7, replacing x with 7. And 34 minus 7 is 27. The two sides balance. Our solution is D. Number 3. Which set of values is ordered from greatest to least? That means in this question, we want to go from largest to smallest. So from largest to smallest, greatest to least. Largest to smallest. So let's split this up. Well, it's definitely not going to be C because that's smaller. And it's not going to be D because it's starting to small value and those are larger. So we just have to look at A and B. A starts at, I'm only going to look at the part of the number that is to the right of the decimal point. So here I have 190 thousandths. Here I have 119 thousandths. Here I have 109 ten thousandths. And here I have 5 and 900 thousandths. Here in B, I've got 109, and this goes from 60 to 59. That's great. I'm still going down, but look, it's going back up again, so this can't be right. So our correct answer is A. If we were to write that out, we would have 61, 990, and then we'd have 60 and 119. And we have 60 and 109. And then we have 5 and 9 hundredths. Well, we can see right away that if we just look at the values here to the right, 190 is more than 119, more than 109. And then we get the last number, we can see, well, yes, 5 is less than 60. So this goes from largest to smallest. So the correct answer is A. Number 4, which set of values has the largest range? Remember, range is your highest value minus your lowest value. Also said your maximum value minus your minimum value. So we want to look, where might we have the highest and lowest values to subtract? In A, our highest value is 14, and our lowest value is 8 7/7500ths. In B, our highest value is 11 50/100ths. Oh, I take that back. Look at that. I read wrong. Our largest value is 12. And our smallest value is 7 25/100ths. And raise this up a little more. In C, our largest value is 10. Our smallest value is 3 2/10. And in D, our largest value is 22 7/10, and our smallest value is 5 7/10. And on this problem, we don't even have to bother with the subtraction because we can clearly see that this value is just so much significantly larger than the largest of these, and except for C's smallest value, this isn't much more. So without even doing the subtraction, I can see that D has to have the largest range because that's the biggest difference between 22 7/10 and 5 7/10. So the correct answer here is going to be D. So 4 was D. Number 5. Aunt Gertrude, she's back at it. Went to the store to pick up apples. She placed the apples into 2 bags. One bag weighed 6 pounds. The other bag weighed 3 4/10 pounds. If apples cost $1.25 per pound, then how much was the total cost of apples? Well, this we know when we go to the store, that the price per item, in this case per pounds, price per item, or that is our cost, times how many we get, is how much we buy, is going to equal our total. So in this case, the cost we know is $1.25 per pound. The question is, well, how much did she pick up? Well, she picked up 2 bags. One had 6 pounds, and the other had 3 4/10 pounds. So altogether, she picked up 6 plus 3 4/10 pounds. So now we just follow our order of operation rules. Inside here, 6 plus 3 4/10 is going to be 9 4/10. So we have this problem, 1 25/100ths times 9 4/10. So take a moment here and do this problem. Remember, when you multiply, you don't have to line up the decimals. We do have to count the decimal place values. So there's 2 here, and there's 1 here. So we have a total of 3 place values. Now we'll just proceed like we normally do with multiplication. 4 times 5 is 20. Put down the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Put down the 0, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now I have to move over to 9, so I have to put down a 0 first. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So I'll put down the 2, carry 2. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So write that down. Now we add them up. 0, 5, 7, 1, 1. And we have a total of 3 place values to move. And we start in here. So 1, 2, 3. We end up there. So the total price that we paid, or Aunt Gertrude paid, I suppose, was $11.75. And that is choice B. I'm going to stop here for now. But before we do, I want to give you a teaser of what's coming up. And that is this. Have you ever read the story of Too Many Daves? It starts out like this. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Keep watching if you want to find out what happens.